Hello? Anybody home? Hello? Hello, hello? Alright, doing a service call for one of Dave's water heaters. Hopefully you can see back in there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, 6 flash. What is a 6 flash? Chamber temperature sensor out of specification, possible short. Chamber temperature sensor. What in the hell is that? Possible short. Okay. Chamber temperature sensor out of specification. Possible short. Well, these things don't really have chamber temperature sensors. They have this sensor, which is just a ground. Oh, maybe this thing is screwed up. Chamber temperature sensor. 6 flashes. Chamber temperature sensor out of specification, possible short. We got our work cut out for us today. Oh, is it empty? Oh, it's empty too. What'd you do to me here, Dave? Alright, we'll try that. Try that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put a motherboard on here that doesn't require this. I don't know what that thing is. It's like a ground, I guess. That's the only thing I can think of that is a chamber temperature sensor. I don't think I have one with me. Chamber temperature sensor. Could be the so I guess that's what this is the chamber temperature sensor? I don't think so. Well, it's working now. Alright, well, we got a code 6, which according to this is the chamber temperature sensor out of specification, possible short. And there really isn't a chamber temperature sensor. I mean, maybe that's what this thing is. But I don't think I have a replacement one with me. Let's see what the part says it is. Yeah, so maybe I'll look this up when I get home. So I changed the motherboard to one that doesn't require that sensor, and now everything's fine. So it's got this sensor here, which should be plenty, but let me see if I got one in my truck. If I do, I'll put it on and put the old motherboard back on. But the water heater doesn't have any water in it, and it looks like it was just installed, so I'm not going to touch any of that. Let me go see if I got this. Okay, well, I had one in my vehicle, but I noticed this. See the pin configuration on this one? Hopefully you can see that. They're spread apart, and this one, they're right next to each other. So that might be part of the issue, but let's put it in and see what happens. Chamber temperature sensor. I thought this was just a ground. I guess it's a sensor. White, red. Sound. Okay, so I put the original motherboard back on. I changed this chamber temperature sensor thing. Here's the original. You can see the pinout is different. Probably why it thinks it's shorted. That's interesting. Maybe one of them fell out. Somebody pushed one in, got it wrong. It seems to be coming up okay now. I don't want to run it too long because there's no water in it. Alright, we're good. Put safety back in it. So this yellow wire is a chamber temperature sensor. Looks like we both learned something today. Alright. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. And have a great evening. Hello. Alright, so in typical fashion, now Dave wants me to fill it up. And it's on a gate valve up here. But the water's not working. So that means the water's off to the house someplace. Not really my deal. Is this it? No. Bad time for this crap, Dave. Dave did it to me again. Oh, I swear to God, Dave Battle. Leaving me with this chaos. Hello? Enrique?